Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here I got all my electrical stuff for my hydroponic system. I have here a solar panel, 12 volt solar panel, a solar charge controller, my pump, some clips, but I don't gonna use them, that go inside the back of this panel. Here's my timer switch, and here are two 12 volt 7 amps hour batteries, lead acid batteries. So this solar charge controller is going to manage the whole system. As you can see, I can wire up here under the controller the solar panel, positive, negative, my batteries. I'm going to connect them and then put them on here. And here is a light bulb, but I'm going to put here my pump in. So I've got here my pump, and I'm going to show you if it's how it's going to run. Right now I'm in the sun. As you maybe can see, here's the pump. I'm going to flip the panel so it's directed to the sun. And right now I'm going to put the positive line in, and it should start running. And you can hear it starts. I'm not going to let it run for very much longer, because the engine inside here can overheat without water. So that's working, that's nice. Also a nice thing is that even when the panel is not in direct sunlight, it produces still enough power to power the pump. The panel is for in the daylight, and those batteries right here are for the night. I can put in a number or 10 volts for example, and this charge controller measures the voltage inside the battery. So when it's at night, the pump is running and the solar charge controller detects 10 volt, it shuts it completely off, so it doesn't kill my batteries totally dead. Right now I've got some wires hooked up to my solar charge controller. I'm going to put the wires on here and see if it starts up. Nothing happens. Maybe I have to put on the pump. Still nothing happens. I have put the wires on the battery one right now, and now I'm going to touch the battery and see if that makes any difference to start it up. And there it goes. 12.7 volts, that's good. It can power towards the pump as if it was connected. You can see it by that arrow. So it works, that's fine. Right now I have everything laying right here. You can see it's still powered on. And right now I'm going to put the solar panel on it and see if that also works. And as you can see, everything is working and the solar panel is charging my battery. Here is my pump. I've got it sitting right there. And now I'm going to push it in here and see if also the pump can run. And maybe you can hear it, hear it. But the pump starts running. And I've stopped it again, so it doesn't overheat. But that's my electrical system. The only thing that I have to do is on this wire from the pump, the black wire can in the negative one right here, and on the plus one I'm going to put this component. That's my homemade timer switch for half an hour on, half an hour off. That you can see a video from that. But one of these wires have to go inside the solar charging panel, and the other one towards my pump. That's to prevent root rot for my hydroponic system. So that was my electric stuff. Here I got some buckets with some lids, some old mayonnaise and ketchup buckets. Over here I got a lot more of them. They are going to be my buckets for my system. Here is my gravel. I'm going to use this as my substrate. Here's another bucket of it, full of water. And I got 10 more of these buckets. Nice and fine gravel. One of these black boxes, they are about 80 centimeters in length and 50 wide, and about I guess 40 centimeters high. This tub is going to be my pond for my nutrients. This pipe right here is my return pipe for the water with the nutrients. I've got a cap on one side and the other side is just open. Also I got some pieces of hose. I can cut little sections out of this, that long for example, put one end inside my bucket, put something on here to make it watertight, and then drill a hole inside this pipe and put there my piece of hose in. So that's the idea how I want to go to do. Yes, I hope it will work. I will keep you all updated. I hope to start in about 2 months from now, so in March or something. And yes, thanks for watching everybody. Please subscribe, and if you have any tips for me, then feel free to set it in the comments down below, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.